Welcome back YouTube to the channel. My name is Chris. Today we're going to be checking out another case for the Google Pixel 5. And today we have here the case from Crave. Now I picked this up on Amazon about last week. It is $12. It comes in various colors, but today we have the mint/gray color. They have it in red, navy blue, black, and a gray color along with this one. This one was actually back ordered at the time of me purchasing it, and actually surprisingly came earlier than what Amazon projected. So that was actually a nice surprise. To this point, I've been using the Google Pixel fabric case, which you can check out that video here. And to be honest, it's time for a change because I'm tired of just how dirty this case gets and the discoloration. And I wanted something a little bit more colorful. So I picked this one up. Offers great drop protection. It does offer a lifetime warranty, which is actually great. And supposedly, I think I read somewhere that the buttons are a floating style, so it should give very precise feedback. It's a two-part design, so let's get this open real quick. And here we are. Very simple packaging. That's actually not necessarily a good thing, but I guess it could be. So here is our two-piece design. We have this gray TPU part that your phone actually sits in, and then you have this hard plastic shell that will go around the outside. So you get both drop protection and then at least a nice solid feeling part that your hand is going to be against the entire time. So you have all your cutouts. So in the corners you have these kind of little pockets. So that's going to add additional drop protection in each of the four corners. So let's go ahead and get the phone inserted into this TPU portion of the case. Of course, wipe your phone down before inserting it into a case. That way no dirt or anything scratches your device while it's inserted. And then we go ahead and just put this hard plastic part on the back, make sure it all clicks into place, and there you go. And you know what? This actually doesn't feel too bad, and it's not too bulky. That was actually a worry of mine, that compared to this case, that it would be much more bulky, and it's not. I can say though, it's not the grippiest of case. It is kind of slippery, but you know what? It has adequate drop protection, so I wouldn't be worried if I were to drop this. Now, of course, because this being a mint green type color, it is going to show marks a lot easier than, let's say, the red or the navy blue, but it feels good. Let's see here. It's still comfortable to hold, and that's important. Now the buttons, that was something, these very chrome-like buttons, and yeah, they definitely feel quite solid. There's no real rattling or anything like that. There is slight movement. There's slight movement there, but overall, pressing the actual buttons, volume up and down, feels really good and clicky. In terms of the bottom ports, here we are. You have your cutout for your USB-C charging port, and then your speaker and mic down at the bottom, your hole up top for the mic. In the back, you have your cutout for your camera and then your fingerprint. So we can see here there is a good amount of space between the glass and the case. So this is going to be great drop protection for the actual glass itself. And the cutout for the fingerprint is actually very comfortable. There's adequate space around the fingerprint scanner, so it's not difficult to find, and it actually slopes in at the slightest amount of angle leading up to the fingerprint. So it makes finding that fingerprint scanner extremely easy because there is that slope with the TPU right in there, as you can see. So I would say that is very nice. That is very, very nice. I like that. In terms of front screen protection, as you know, if you've watched my previous video here, I do have a tempered glass screen protector, and there is still, I would say, 0.5 millimeter. It's the smallest amount of space between the case and the tempered glass screen protector. But if you're not using a tempered glass screen protector, then there's going to be even additional space of drop protection just like that. So overall, I am quite pleased for $12. Depending on when you see this video, there might be even a sale for this case. There is just minimal branding back here, just saying Crave, and there is this texture pattern which tries to add grip to the hard plastic polycarbonate, but doesn't do that great of a job. But it's not uncomfortable or anything like that. It'll be interesting to see if this discolors over time, but regardless, there is a lifetime warranty. So if anything happens to it, I'm pretty sure you could probably reach out to them. Now, this is the first time I've purchased a case from Crave, so I can't really comment on how the customer service is, but nonetheless, I'll leave the link down in the description where you can pick this up. And if you guys have any questions or comments, of course, you can always leave them down below and I'll help you out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.